Hi, I'm Adam Mattis from Sterling Machinery Exchange here in South El Monte, California, which is 20 minutes east of Los Angeles, California. We have over 2,000 new and used machine tools in stock, such as press brakes, shears, grinders, rolls, lathes, milling machines, and much more. Today I'm going to show you a nice Atrump 3-axis CNC bed type milling machine. This is one of a few different types of CNC mills we carry. This is a bed type. It has a large open top. This actually has some nice guards to hold all the coolant and everything, the chips. You can go a little bit smaller than a machine like this and go to like a Bridgeport Easy Track that doesn't have all the guards, a little bit smaller of a machine. This has an 11 by 52 table. It has a Centroid M400 3-axis CNC controller with a nice color screen. Everything's been tested out on this machine by Centroid rep. It's fully functional and ready to go. You can see the head's at a pretty high motion right now. We've got it tied at the top stop. It also has a curtain power drawbar, which makes it really easy and quick to change all your collets. You just push the in and out button. It uses air rather than having to use the collet system, which will help a lot of people because this machine gets pretty tall sometimes. We'll go ahead and start a simple program for you and show you how everything works. And here we go. Now the head speed and the feed speed are all controlled on this controller right here. So if you wanted to override the feed speed, you can see the table slowing down. We'll put it back into the same motion. And you also have the spindle override. You see we'll slow down the spindle. You have your indicator right here. You have high and low speeds. Depending on the program, it'll go high or low. You also have your indicator right here. Right now we're running at 2200 RPM at a feed rate of 26 inches per minute. You can see your x-axis coming down. Machine's in nice condition, everything runs on it. It has the coolant and everything, along with the splash guards. If you're interested in this milling machine or any other type, whether it be a Bridgeport Easy Track or a full-on machining center, we carry them all. Please give us a call, 626-444-0311. or check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you. Do you have surplus equipment for sale? From one machine to entire shops, Sterling Machinery buys all types of equipment. Please contact us today. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com, the web's premier machinery video site.